To start, wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a magic ring. Insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, and chain 3. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Next, work 11 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the center of the ring. Slip stitch into the third chain of your initial chain 3 to join the round. Fasten off and change to your second color, green. For round 2, attach the green yarn into any stitch. Chain 3, then work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. In the following stitch, work a cluster of 2 double crochets, then chain 1. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Skip 1 stitch, work 2 double crochets in the next, and chain 1. Slip stitch into the top of the initial chain 3 to join the round. Fasten off and switch to your third color, or yellow. For round 3, join your yellow yarn in any chain 1 space from the previous round. Chain 3, then work 2 double crochets into that same space. Chain 1. Move to the next chain 1 space. Work 3 double crochets into the space, then chain 1. Continue working 3 double crochets and a chain 1 into every chain 1 space around to form the granny square clusters. To turn this into a square, we will now create the corners. In the next space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets, all into that same space to form your first corner. In the next space, work 3 double crochets for the side. In the following space, work another corner. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Repeat this pattern around the remaining sides. Once complete, slip stitch to join, weave in your ends, and your flower, granny square, is finished.